Just pack some light reading material, not like my whole library or anything. Hi guys, welcome back. Look at this fun angle. It's like you guys are taller than me. I'm wearing some lippy stick today. Looks weird on camera. I'm gonna hurt my neck while talking like this. Anyway, I'm going to be packing for London. So here's what I'm gonna bring. This is a joke, by the way. Let's get started. So first off, you'll need a nice bag, like this one. So, I think the first thing I'll need is some books. I think... No! Ah! Is some books. Just a few good reads. Nothing too extravagant or anything. You know. Okay. Perfect. Now, going to need some stuffed animals. One. Just a few stuffed animals. No big deal, right? Nothing over the top or extravagant. Nothing of that sort. Just a few. Yes. Perfect. Let's see, what else am I gonna need? Maybe I'll need some good music. Let's put a speaker in there. Perfect. Okay, so I'll put in the speaker. Okay, and... Oh! And my passport. Can't forget that. Yes. Do you guys think I packed enough stuff? Huh? Is this perfect or what? I think it'll fit. I don't think it'll fit in the airport security. Oh well. Anyway, I will see you guys in my next video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. There will be a London vlog or two, so get excited for that. And I will see you guys later. Bye!